Welcome to the introduction of this course. So this course will show you all that you need to know about project management in theory and in real life, and also how to ace it as a project manager. So I've been a project manager for 20 years. I've also been a project management coach for 10 years. And I've also worked with project managers myself as a program manager, as a manager, so I really understand what is expected of project management. So to ensure that at the end of this course you are a project management expert, I will be using a lot of diagrams, templates, example, quizzes to really make sure that the concepts are really understood. But at the same time, I will also highlight the differences between the theory and the real life in project management. I will show you the challenges that a project manager can face on a daily basis and how to address them. I will show you how to simplify things as well so you become more efficient. In other words, I will show you what is important. In the second part of this course, I will provide you a clear step-by-step framework that if you use, you can really stand out as a project manager. You can really ace project management. I tell you, if you stick to it, your manager, your team, the business, they would really love you for it. When you have people on your side, it's all downhill in project management. In the third part, in part 3, we will review on a high level some methodologies so you can see how this course relate to them, and I will give you my opinion on how important they are. I've really put all my 20 years experience into this course. So if you're interested in project management, if you're interested in getting into project management as a project manager, and maybe if you're already a project manager out there and you really want to step up your game, I think you will benefit from it. But also if you work with a project manager, you can really understand where they're coming from, and maybe also you can give them a couple of tips. If you want to know more about this course, there's a 15-minute long overview. I know 15 minutes is long, but I've created that for really those of you who aren't sure they want to take this course or not, so you can really go into more detail. In any case, thank you very much for listening to me.